for a launch. Today I am super excited to be checking out a 2022 Audi RS3. Let's take a look. What are you working towards with this car? What are your goals with it?
Stage 2, that's it.
Okay,
yeah.
Just gonna bring it everything to stage 2?
Yep.
What's that gonna involve?
Just what's on it, plus an intercooler and a tune.
Okay.
That's it.
What do you expect
around
it?
600 horse.
600 horse?
Yeah.
Is the expectation?
Yeah, that was perfect in the other car when I got to that point. It was 0 to 60 in like 2.8 seconds. You know, it's plenty fast without spinning the hell out of the tires. Once you go over that, the tires just roast.
Yeah.
And you're back on the 3s, 0 to 60. Yeah.
That's insane.
So quarter miles are in the 10s, low to mid 10s at stage
Wow.
2.
What's the fastest you've gotten this one to so far? Top speed?
On the track, I took it up to 140.
Probably gets there pretty quick too.
Pretty quick, yeah. Yeah, that's where you notice it not being tuned, is that high end, where a tuned car pulls a lot higher after 100.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
This car pulls really hard to 80, you know? And then after that, you're like, oh yeah, it's stock. When they're tuned up in the 600 plus, they just keep pulling like they're going 50. And they're at 120, 130. It's
Oh my goodness.
pretty interesting.
Yeah, that sounds crazy.
Yeah, it's all stock other than the unitronic downpipe and the inlet pipe and the APR intake pipe, square wheel setup, so it's 19 by 9 all the way around with 265s instead of the 265 fronts and 245 rears.
Okay.
We're on it stock.
Well, as far as power, because they haven't come out with tuning yet, it's pretty much just stock.
Yeah, right around 400, 450. They're quick, you know, they're 3.5 seconds 0 to 60 car stock.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
That's fast.
Yeah, and you track it quite a bit?
I tracked it once.
This doesn't feel like an Audi.
No.
What made you want to buy one of these 2022?
Because I had 2018 for 3 years, built motor, you know, everything was 800 horse. And it was too much. It was more than I needed for anything. Taking it on track was too much. So when these started coming out, I sold the 18 at the right time when the car prices went insane. And I was able to sell that for what I bought this for.
Oh my god.
So, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, great upgrade.
Yeah, I'd say so.
And that car had almost 50,000 miles on it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but they were just fetching such high dollar.
Yeah. All right, well, let's take it for a ride.
All right.
Oh, it looks good in here. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. And I can't believe stage 2 will bring it down to a 2.5 or something.
Yeah, depending on traction. If you're at a track where you can actually hook up, you can get in the low 2s to 2.5s.
Wow.
But on the street, I think 2.69 or something was the fastest I ever got my 2018 up to.
Sheesh. Holy crap. That feels so terrifying, but so good at the same time. For 65 grand, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And that's spec'd to the way it is too, like 65.
Yep.
You can get them for even cheaper. That is impressive.
Not anymore though. Now they're selling for over MSRP by quite a bit.
Oh yeah, I believe it.
Most guys that are selling a spec car like this are going 75 to 80.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't imagine that gets old.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Feel how quick that transmission is. You
Yeah.
know, it's just
It shifts on the money quickly.
it's so smooth when it's stock. Once you start to tune them, they get a lot more harsh because they put a lot more pressure on the blades.
Yeah.
I just have it in comfort now, so it's nice and quiet.
Yeah, it makes a big difference in comfort and whatever you call the other mode. Yeah, I love this car.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Awesome, awesome car.
Yeah, it does everything well. That's why I drive Audi. So you know, you get a car that drives pretty much like anything normal, and then also has the capability to outrun just about anything you ever come across.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Is there certain things you would recommend on how to maintain one properly and keep it going good, right? Because I know you've had Audis for a long time.
I mean, the biggest problem with Audis are dealers, and dealers wanting to change the oil every 10,000 miles and telling you that your transmission fluid is lifetime. So
Yeah.
change your oil every 5,000 miles, almost all the problems go away that these cars have. And transmission, same thing with the transmissions. You know, change it every 60,000 miles. Yeah, if you buy any of the 3-liter, the supercharged or the turbocharged motors are just solid engines, and obviously this 2.5.
Packs a
Ironic
punch.
thing about the RS3 for me is in 1999 I bought my first Audi, and it was a 94 Audi S4 with a 5-cylinder,
Okay.
turbo 5-cylinder 2.2 motor, which was one of their best motors ever built.
Right.
So I went through a series of those, the S4 and S6s that had that motor, 95, 94s, 93s, 92s,
Yep.
and fell in love with them, and fell in love with Audi, and ever since then, that's all I've driven.
Really? Just Audi?
Yeah. Yep.
Wow. How many have you gone through?
Probably 22, 23.
23. And this is your favorite out of all of them?
Yep.
Okay, that's awesome. Well, this is an awesome car, and hopefully the tuning comes out sooner than later.
Yeah, I hope so.
You'll probably be like one of the first ones to tune it, I'm sure, as soon as it comes out.
Yeah.
If you're new to my channel and you're liking this content, I will be posting a brand new video every single week, so be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.